Students, I am Maheshwari, SICET. Today topic is limit cycle oscillation problems. So last week some students asking doubts. So that purpose I am preparing some video classes. So now let us start problems on characteristics of limit cycle oscillation and deadband. So first question is, determine the characteristics of limit cycle oscillation with respect to this system described by the equation y of n is equal to 0.95 y of n minus 1 plus x of n. So in that problem, find the deadband of the filter. Assume bit length is 4 bits and x of n is equal to 0.75, n is equal to 0 and 0 for n is not equal to 0. So now solution of this problem, first let us considering I am first order equation, that is y of n is equal to quantization factor of y of n minus 1 plus x of n. Everyone knows this equation. So I am using that equation only in this problem. Y of n is equal to, given problem is 0.95 y of n minus 1 plus x of n. Next, y of n is equal to quantization factor of this 0.95 y of n minus 1 plus x of n. Now n is equal to 0, put n is equal to 0 in above equation. Y of 0 is equal to quantization factor of 0.95 y of 0 minus 1, y of minus 1 plus x of 0. Now next, quantization factor of 0.95, previous value is y of minus 1 is 0 plus x of 0 value is given question 0.875. So next, y of 0 is equal to 0.75. It is a decimal value. So here after decimal value, so here finally equation is phi of 0 is equal to 0.75 decimal value. So students ikkada maximum confuse అవుతున్నారు. సో డెసిమల్ వాల్యూ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ బైనరీ కన్వర్షన్ చేయకపోతే మీ ఆన్సర్ రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఫస్ట్ డెసిమల్ వాల్యూ తర్వాత బైనరీ కన్వర్షన్ చేయాలి. సో ఎట్లా బైనరీ కన్వర్షన్ చేస్తారు, ఇక్కడ 0.75 ఇంటూ 2 1.50. So 1 is carried out. Next 0.50 we have to getting again 0.5 into 2 1.0. 1 is carried out. So here 0.0. So we have to stop here. Next your value is how to writing here 0.11. This is the binary value. సో ఇక్కడ బైనరీ వాల్యూ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, బైనరీ వాల్యూ దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ మీరు స్టాప్ చేస్తారు కాదు, మళ్ళీ బైనరీ వాల్యూ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ టు డెసిమల్. So here we have to convert to decimal 0.11. So here 2 power 0, 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2. Calculate చేయండి, ఇది మీకు 0.75 వస్తుంది. 0.75 డెసిమల్ వాల్యూ. సో మీరు ఇక్కడ అనొచ్చు మేడం ఇక్కడ 0.75 వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ వాల్యూ వచ్చింది అంటే నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అబ్జర్వ్. We have to substitute in above equation n is equal to 1 again. Y of 1 is equal to quantization factor of 0.95 y of 0 plus x of n value is x of 1, n is equal to 1. So here quantization factor is 0.95, y of 0 value previous condition. What is we have to getting y of 0 value finally 0.75. So I am writing that only 0.75 plus x of 1. So x of 1 is here only for n is equal to 0. This statement is satisfied 0.75. n is not equal to 0 is 0 answer. So x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 whatever the value is 0. So I am writing here 0. So multiply this 0.7125 we have to getting. Next 0.7125 is a decimal value. Again this decimal to a binary we have to converted. So here binary we have to convert it to binary value is 10110. So 0.10110. So it is a binary representation. Next in that given question the length is 4 bits is given, 4 bits. So here I have to get 10110, 5 bits is there. So here last value is 0, no problem, we have to leave this 0, we have to get 0.1011 binary value. Again we have to convert this 1011 value. We have to get 0.6875. So this is the decimal value. See here, observe previous condition. Here 0.75, here 0.75, but here different, some value is different. So 0.7125, here 0.6875. So only that one. Next to y of n is equal to 2, we have to substitute in above equation. Y of 2 is equal to quantization factor of plus x of n. So we have to calculate this. We have to getting 0.6531 decimal value. Again this decimal value we have to convert to binary. We have to get 10100. So here 10100. This is a binary notation. Next here again for rounding of 4 bits. So here total 5 bits is there. We have to eliminate this bit and we have to write 1010. So 1010. Again we have to convert to decimal. We have to get 0.625. Here 0.625. So previous decimal value is 0.6531. Now we have to getting 0.625. I am substituting n is equal to 3. Y of 3 is equal to quantization factor 0.95 y of 2 plus x of 2. X of 2 value is already you know that 0. So we have to multiply this value. We have to get 0.59375. So again we have to convert to binary. We have to get 10011. 10011. So all previous condition fifth value is zeros. Already we have to observe 0. Here also 0. So no problem. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth value is 1. So that time what we have to do, 0.1001. This one is this one is added. Then we have to getting 1 is 01 101.0. సో ఫైనల్గా ఇక్కడ మీకు ఫిఫ్త్ వాల్యూ ఏదైతే ఉంటుంది ఆ ఫిఫ్త్ వాల్యూని మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఆ 4 డిజిట్స్ తర్వాత మీరు ఆ లాస్ట్ నెంబర్ని యాడ్ చేయండి. దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు గెటింగ్ 0.1010. సో రౌండింగ్ ఆఫ్ 4 బిట్స్. సో 1010 we have to getting. Again we have to convert to decimal. Then we have to getting 0.625 10. So previous value is again 0.625 and here 0.625. So మీరు ఇక్కడ సేమ్ వాల్యూ రిపీట్ అయ్యింది కాబట్టి we have to stop n is equal to 3. So here observe n is equal to 0, 0.75 and n is equal to 1, 0.6875 and n is equal to 2, 0.625 and n is equal to 3, 0.625. So here n values is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and binary values if you using 0 then what value you have to getting 0.1100 and decimal value is 0.75 I am writing here and n is equal to 1, 0.1011 and decimal value is 0.6875 and n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. So binary number is 1010 1010 and decimal is 0.625 0.625 and y of 3 n is equal to 3 value is 1010 1010 and decimal value is 0.625 and these values are repeating. So this is, so here these values are repeated values. So finally in that question is asking we have to find out the dead band. So now we have to going to the find out the dead band. So what is dead band? Dead band is nothing but the limit cycle occurs as a result of the quantization effects in multiplication. The amplitude of the output during a limit cycle or confined to a range of values is called dead band of the filter. So here dead band formula is plus or minus 2 power minus b by 2 into 1 minus mod a. So here plus or minus, what is b? How many bits in that question is asking? 4 bits. So my b value is 4. B value is 4 and denominator 2 into 1 minus mod a 0.95. What is given question? Coefficient a value or alpha value 0.95. So I am writing here 0.95. We have to calculate this. D is equal to dead band plus or minus 0.625. So finally what we have to observing here, positive value and negative value. So here positive is 0.625 and negative value is minus 0.625. So positive to negative and negative to positive, positive to negative, negative to positive. This is the recycling. This process is called limit cycle oscillation.